Hello guys, welcome back to another video from the E-Innovators. So as the pandemic situation is happening all around the world, we are here to make your quarantine as productive as possible. Nowadays everything has become online. It can be education, it can be buying or selling. Everyone is like going online. And in these circumstances, the unavailability of network is a huge problem. So we are here with a proper solution for you all. In this video, we are having a simple tutorial of how you can create a power bank for your Wi-Fi router so you don't feel any difficulty while using your internet freely online or being online. So let's get started. In this circuit, we need a router and check its verification that under what voltage the router will work properly. In our condition, this router will operate on 9 volts. We will also be using two 3.7 volt cells because they can recharge and connect them in parallel. So their voltage became same but current or capacity will increase. Our DC to DC XL6009E1 step-up module, which can increase voltage up to 24 volts. In our case, we need to increase cell voltage from 3.7 to 9 volts. We will also be using a Vero board, 2-barrel DC connectors, a 10A10 Schottky diode, a SPTT 12 volt relay which can operate under 8 to 12 volts. Let's start the circuit building to understand how we can use relay cell and Schottky diode to prepare a backup supply of router under a power shortage. Here we have 12 volt relay having 5 pins, 2 pins on one side and 3 pins on other. In 3 pin side, middle one is common and other two are connected with single coil, and in opposite side we have 2 pins in which one is normally closed and other is normally open. We have to connect positive of Schottky diode from first point of coil and negative of Schottky diode to normally open or NO. Firstly, we connect both the connectors. First one is for the supply from the adapter and the second one is for the supply from the battery. Join the negative of the two connectors and connect them to the pin of the second coil. The positive of the barrel DC connector is connected to the common of the relay. And its negative is connected with the negative pin or the second pin of the coil. Positive of the connector is for the supply of the adapter and is connected to the positive of the Schottky diode. The two 3.7 volt cells are connected in parallel. To increase the voltage from 3.7 to 9 volts, we need a step-up module. To generate 9 volts, we have to connect the positive and the negative of the battery with the input of the step-up module. On the output of the step-up module, we first connect the voltmeter to check the step-up voltage. To increase or decrease, we change the value of the potentiometer. Then connect the DC barrel connector. The positive of the connector is for the supply of the batteries connected with the normally closed or NC. Let's move towards the description of the circuit. This is not the proper circuit diagram. For the proper circuit diagram, we have a file in the description below. Please check it out. This circuit diagram basically defines the functionality of the relay. Here we can see first pin of the coil is grounded to all. We also have a Schottky diode and its positive is connected to the second pin of the coil and its negative to NO, normally open. The purpose of doing this is to avoid the mess of the supplies from the battery and the adapter towards the router at the same time. So diode will stop this reverse polarity. There are 2 points of the coil, one is grounded and the other one is connected with the charger. It means as the relay energizes, it moves from the battery to the supply of the adapter. And as the supply from the adapter is removed, it gets back to its supply from the battery. Before any supply, router is working on the battery because the battery connection is normally open. And as we connect the adapter, magnetic switch of the relay is moved to normally closed, which is from the battery to the adapter. And when we remove the adapter, relay stops functioning and adapter is back to the battery. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe our channel to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Guys, also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description below. Stay safe, stay at home, maintain social distancing. See you guys in the next video shortly. Bye bye, peace out.